This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
What if I told you this $300 robot arm can see in 3D, sort your trash intelligently, and even have a conversation with you? Meet the ArmPi Ultra. And trust me, this isn't your typical robotic arm. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you why this little machine is completely changing what's possible with affordable robotics. First up, this thing can actually see in 3D. Look at this depth camera view. It's like giving the robot X-ray vision to understand exactly where everything is in space. But here's where it gets crazy. Watch this. It didn't just hear me, it understood what I wanted, found the right object, and executed the task perfectly. That's not programmed responses, that's actual AI reasoning. But wait, it gets even smarter. Check out this waste sorting challenge. Did you catch that? I said trash bin, but it corrected me and put it in recycling instead. This robot is actually thinking about the consequences of its actions, and it doesn't stop there. Sphere, square, cylinder. It's recognizing shapes, heights, and even complex arrangements in real time. Now here's my favorite part. Watch what happens when I move this cube around. It's using inverse kinematics to track in 3D space and, boom, takes it right out of my hand. It's like having a robotic assistant that actually pays attention. Face tracking, gesture recognition, color following. This thing has more vision capabilities than some smartphones. Now, you might think this level of AI requires a PhD in robotics. Wrong. Look at this. Smartphone app, gaming controller, even drag-and-drop programming. They've made advanced robotics accessible to anyone. You can even simulate everything before running it on the real robot. No more expensive mistakes. And when you're ready to go bigger, mount it on a mobile platform and suddenly you've got an autonomous system that can navigate, recognize traffic signals, and perform complex tasks. Here's what blows my mind. 5 years ago, this level of AI robotics would have cost tens of thousands of dollars and required a team of engineers. Now, it's a desktop robot that anyone can program and afford. We're literally watching the future of robotics unfold in real time. The ArmPi Ultra isn't just a robot arm. It's a glimpse into a world where AI assistants are smart, affordable, and actually useful. If this got you as excited about robotics as it got me, smash that subscribe button and check out our full robotics playlist. And let me know in the comments, what would you use an AI robot arm for? I'll see you in the next one.